getting pretty good right here.
I gotta piss.
Lucky cheese bug. Lucky cheese bug.
This out-of-tune guitar is a representation of our society.
You want to tune it? I brought my tune.
All the problems.
Yeah, we're all tuned that one time and then fuck it.
Yeah, I already did.
Oh yeah, I needed to.
Man, look how much cocaine's been on some songs.
Come on. What?
That's not long.
Yeah, that needs to be pretty bad.
It's not going to be tuned very well because it doesn't hold tune at all.
That rat's like shooting up and making a crazy weird sound.
He's so goofy. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm so excited. I'm gonna freak out.
Give me 8. Oh, we got 10 right there.
Just unplug it from your amp and plug it into
Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese above. Chuck E. Cheese. Chester cheese, Chester cheese. Hey, Bill Murray, get your ass over here.
She took me on her way.
I can't play till I have my costume.
Hey,
I refuse to
are
play
we
without
gonna
my
go?
costume.
Are we gonna go through something real quick? See what needs done.
Yeah, who's doing our sunset?
Matt is.
Matt's gonna help us.
I made him.
We won't. Me and Mike will.
Yeah, the shaman in the fucking Bill Murray. The shaman.
You're not getting much bass.
Anthony's gonna be in here too, right?
Yeah.
That's right, Dipsy. Yeah,
That's why I said in a while. You don't have that. I told you that. I dare you.